Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I know it's not officially summer yet, but it's basically summer. So I wanted to do a what I eat in a day and show you like everything I eat in a typical like summer day. So I always like to bring in more seasonal fruits and vegetables and just like lighter, colder foods during the summer. So I'll show you guys literally everything I'm eating. These are all just super simple, realistic meals. Whether you're at home, like I'm working from home today, or if you're on the go, like you can make these ahead of time, pack them up, and it just makes life easier to get healthy, nutritious meals in all the time. And I've got asked this a lot because obviously I'm pregnant, but like I'm still eating pretty normal. So there's not like any like special like pregnancy thing. Like this is just what I normally eat. If anything, I feel like I'm just eating a little bit more carbohydrates than I normally would. I always eat them, but just like a little bit extra. So anyway, if you guys like seeing the what I eat in a day, make sure you hit that thumbs up to show me you want more of these videos this summer. And I'm just gonna show you my breakfast first. I always love making like overnight oats or chia pudding in the summer. I make them all year long, and it's nice because you can always heat them up if it's a cold morning, but obviously with warmer mornings, I want kind of that cold meal first thing in the day. So that's one thing that's changed. I have been eating my breakfast a lot earlier. If you guys have been around here for a while, you know I normally don't eat until like noon or so, but lately I like need food first thing in the morning. So this is a combination of the oats and chia to give me a lot of protein, but also those carbohydrates, and then obviously some healthy fats. I also added my new LSF Fitness peanut butter protein in the mix. So I did about 3/4 of a cup of milk, like an almond milk, about 3 teaspoons of chia, 1/4 of a cup of oats, and then a scoop of the protein. And I just let it sit overnight and then added my berries and my peanut butter. And this was such a yummy filling breakfast. I'm back in my office hole because we're like heads down getting ready to roll out everything for the Summer Shape Up Challenge. Also, this is all the cuteness from my onesie collection, so I'll show you guys all that in a little bit. And that's what I'm wearing. Well, not the jacket, but the rest of my outfit today. That breakfast was like so easy to make, so delicious. I feel like I get out of the habit of making like chia overnight oats every like month or so, and then I'll get like addicted to it again. And it just makes it so simple, and I like that you can do it hot or cold. Like it's just kind of a no-brainer. You need something to like literally grab and go out the door. It's summer, but I feel like it's still cold in the house, or I'm just extra cold all the time lately. So just bundling up this little belly. But this is the whole onesie collection, you guys. If you haven't seen it yet, somehow, I don't know where you've been, but like it's here. So you guys saw the outfit I'm wearing. This is the Panthera bra, and I just love that these bras have like the extra at the bottom, little extra space. It makes it more like kind of a crop. And then the color block bra, this is one of the most flattering bras, like just makes the girls look good. Like it a lot. And then my Move tennis skirt, so cute. And then you have the Cadence leggings. So this is in the 2 different pinks. So we have Petal Dust and the Bubblegum. And then I'm just obsessed with my Racer Panthera leggings. Like has a little bit of mesh cut out there, so it just adds a little pop of something. And then you guys, I mean, this is really just the star for me. It's so freaking cute. I fit really well in both the small medium and the medium large. The medium large just has more space for obviously my growing bump, and if you're taller, I would do the medium large. Otherwise, the small medium, it just like stretches really well to every body. And then for lunch today, I'm kind of doing a mix of a bunch of stuff that I just have in the fridge. So we had some leftovers. I made bison burgers last night, and I like them because they're just really versatile. Like the next day, like yeah, you could totally do a burger again, but I'm actually gonna do like, I don't know, like an Italian burger salad. I don't know how to describe it, but I had some leftover pasta with pesto, some artichokes, I had tomato. So just really mixing things up. And I always do that with my meals. Like especially if you get sick of eating the same thing every day, you can have the same ingredients, but eat them in new ways each day and mix it up. And that just makes it like really simple. So I just did my greens. I did the pasta on top, still cold, put the burger, some tomatoes, artichoke, and then I think I just did a little bit of my LSF dressing, and it was so perfect. And then making a little Wing Woman mocktail for the afternoon. So I just do a scoop of Wing Woman, some water in that, and then I top it off with a splash of, we'll put lemon in it too, but then I top it off with a splash of like sparkling soda water.
And it is so refreshing, especially in the afternoon. It kind of gives me that little like pick me up, and it tastes amazing. I've been trying to get outside and enjoy the backyard more. It's just so nice this time of year because it's not too hot yet. So you can actually like enjoy being outside and eating and not feel like you're sweating your face off. And our backyard is just so peaceful. So it's a really nice time to kind of get off the computer for the day. This is usually when I'll take my prenatal vitamins too. So you guys know I've used Persona forever. So taking that. And then a few hours later, I'll have a snack. And obviously, I've just been obsessed with the peanut butter plant protein. If you guys haven't tried this one yet, it's insane. Like, it's so freaking good. It still has 0 grams of sugar, but there's something magical about it. So I'm doing that with some almond milk. And I think the one thing that has changed like in my eating during being pregnant has just been like, I'm just more mindful of like just eating when I feel like it. And I think I'm better about like stopping what I'm doing to eat if I feel hungry, whereas before I maybe just would keep going. So just having some protein and my banana, making sure I get that snack in, and this combination is so delicious.
My banana snack really got me in a like weird banana mood. So now I'm gonna make some different desserts either for tonight or just to have for this week with banana. But it's just weird because normally I eat banana in smoothies. I like the taste of banana, but I would never just peel a banana and eat it. If you guys have been around my channel for a while, you know I just am not a huge fruit person. Like in a smoothie 100%, but eating straight fruit, like berries are kind of it for me usually until this pregnancy. And then I'm just like berries, fruit, papaya, banana, give me all the fruit all the time. Super weird. But anyway, I'm just gonna make a couple desserts. I'll show you guys what I'm doing. And fair warning, I've never made any of these before. I'm just making them up in my head. So I just made these and put them in the freezer and realized I didn't film any of it because I was filming it for TikTok. So I'm gonna make another one for you guys right now.
All right, so this is kind of all the ingredients for the second one I'm making. Again, I am just winging this, but the bananas are insane. I found these little reusable popsicle sticks on Amazon. So I just put some vanilla yogurt on them. Then I put some nuts, drizzled chocolate, put a little sea salt, stuck them in the freezer for like 15 minutes, and they're insane. And then I've just stored them in the freezer ever since.
Guys, this is the mess I'm making right now. It's just really hard to film for this, like for YouTube and for TikTok, and make these different things at the same time. So I think what I'm just gonna do is just link you guys down below to this recipe. So I'll make sure I post it before this video is live, and then you get the full recipe there. But look at these up close, cause holy, oh my gosh. I don't even know what I just did. I just threw all the things on it. I'm gonna stick them in the freezer and they're gonna be freaking amazing. So Ryan was out running errands and brought home a smoothie, which was so thoughtful, but it's like 7 p.m., which I was gonna start dinner. Now I'm drinking a smoothie. I don't really know what to do about that. I feel like every day, like normally I feel like I could eat the same thing every single day in life, but lately I feel like every day what sounds good is just super random. So like I had my peanut butter protein, I had my banana, that was like an hour or two ago or something. Now I'm downing this smoothie. I don't really feel like I need dinner, but I have leftover detox soup, so maybe I'll do that just to get like some more veggies and protein in me for tonight. Figure that out though. I think that's one of the hardest parts is like just, I'm so used to being able to meal prep, and like I can eat chicken and rice and veggies every day if I meal prep that and like switch up the seasoning, and that's fine. But like chicken's not really been my jam lately. Salmon's not really been my jam lately. I don't know. So I'm just kind of the last couple weeks just taking it day by day, like making sure I have all the healthy stuff I need stocked in my fridge and going for it. But I'm actually really excited starting the summer shape up because we're doing the 14-day shape up meal plan, and it is like all like the chia seed pudding like I had this morning, and smoothies and salads and like that stuff I've been just like devouring. So I feel like I'm like ready to jump into that.
This is my LSF detox soup. So I made a big batch of it last night, which is nice because then I just have leftovers for a couple days, and I feel like it gets more flavorful the longer it's in the fridge. Obviously you don't want it in there more than like 3 or 4 days, but it is amazing. It has like kale and carrots. And then I'll have my AWG bread, which is my grain-free, gluten-free bread that is amazing. If you guys are grain-free or gluten-free, or even if you're not, you need to try it. My secret with the soup is I always add an egg and mix it up, and it just makes it creamier and adds some more flavor. And then it also obviously adds some additional protein. So just like, look how hearty and yummy this is, you guys. Okay, so tonight I'm obviously gonna have the dessert I made because These are incredible. So these are the ones you didn't see. These are a rice cake with banana and nut butter and chocolate, and they're insane.
I'm in like my full night slippery seal, all my oils and face stuff mode, so bear with me. I think I'm gonna try one of the little rice cakes first because I can just break off a piece and I don't have to eat the whole thing. But look at how good these look, you guys. Ooh. Oh my gosh. This is like stupid good. Like salty, sweet, crunchy, dark chocolate. I don't even know. It's just like, holy crap. And it took 2 minutes to make. I feel like today was kind of a weird day of eating, you guys, but I never want to plan these out to be like exactly like some perfect day of eating, because that's just not realistic and not reality. Like, my days look different all the time, and especially with everything going on with my body right now, like I could plan it all and end up eating weird like I did today. So anyway, that is what I ate today. And again, I'm gonna link those recipes for you guys on my Instagram or TikTok, so just check in the description down below. Hope you guys like seeing this video. If you want more of these, like I usually only do one every month or so, but I feel like you guys really like the what I eat in a day, so if you do, hit the thumbs up and comment down below. Let me know like how often you'd want these, because I will totally do them way more for you guys too. All right, have a great night, you guys. Love you. Bye.